Hi, I'm Sandra, Community Nutrition Instructor with MSU Extension. We all know that making good food choices and exercise go hand in hand, but with our busy lifestyles, sometimes we can fall short of the movement that we need to get every day. So what I'm going to do is share a few tips with you on how you can add a little extra movement to your day. Some of the tips you'll hear today come from Cooking Matters. To learn more about Cooking Matters, go to cookingmatters.org. When you're on the computer, at home, school, or work, find somewhere you can stand instead of sit. Be sure to take breaks from computer use. Stand up and do some stretches, or maybe walk the hallway. Go for short walks throughout your day. You can go on your own, take your dog, or ask a friend or coworker to go with you. When you're on the phone, walk around instead of sitting and talking. Use the push mower instead of the riding lawnmower. If you like watching TV, keep a can of vegetables nearby. You can do some bicep curls on commercials or even during the show. Before you start any kind of new exercise, always consult your doctor. But whatever you do, find something that you enjoy and get moving.